Yes. Traders, how are you? I hope you're all having a great time. Welcome back to a new YouTube video. So guys, this is about growing a $20 account. I want to show you how to grow a small $20 account. As you can see, I'll show you first of all the history. You can see $20 deposit. You can see profits, guys, consistency and all that. So I deposited $20 in this account and I've managed to flip it to $100, you can see. So guys, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever we post a video. Traders, so for you to be able to grow a small Forex account, what you need mostly is you need a strategy that has rules. Most of you guys don't have strategies and you just trade anyhow in the Forex market. So first of all, you need a strategy that is rule based. The other thing, you need few Forex pairs. So we're going to delete. Let's delete all these that we don't trade. So you only need those few Forex pairs. You need one. You can have 1, 2, 3, or even just one currency pair, that you're trading only in the Forex market. So when you only have one currency pair, it's going to allow you to have an edge over the market. It's going to allow you to have an edge over the markets. You can see AUD USD, Euro USD, NZ USD. I also trade gold, but most of the times when I'm trading small accounts, I like to focus and stay on these small pairs that have less volatility, since I'm just trying to compound these markets. Since I'm trying to compound my account. Now the other thing, traders, we need to have consistency, discipline, and and then also we need to focus on compounding. So guys, consistency is when you are trading but you are focusing on small profits, but again making them as many times as you can. You can see I only have 1, 2, 3 losses. This month has just started. This is the 9th of May. You can see I deposited this money 5th May first, and I took my first trade on that same day. You can see it's consistency that we focus on mostly. You can see, so the more I become comfortable, the more I can even risk more. You can see 0.05, but at first it was 0.02 only. You can see. So this is how I trade, traders, on how to grow small accounts. So consistency is another key thing. Another thing, you need to have a good strategy, guys. You need to have a good strategy, a strategy that allows you to have like really good entries. You can see. So I'll explain to you this trade that I currently took, and I also sent it in the VIP. I sent it in the VIP. You can see, traders, we had this impulsive move to the upper side. Price was moving up in a good way, but what I was focusing on was mostly having a reversal trade. So whenever I'm trying to grow an account, I focus more on reversals. You can see where price was currently at. This is a reversal point. You can see here. Let's see. You can see this was a reversal point here. Let's zoom out. You can see it's a reversal point. So that's why when price reached there, it reversed. So what I did is I used a sell limit, so that when price comes there, it just bounces off and starts coming down. So I use the sell limit, risking only 30 pips. And then my target is 60 pips. So this first one here, actually my target is 80 pips. This first one here is 30 pips, first take profit. Then actually this first take profit is 40 pips. Then the other one is probably also 40 pips, probably like 100 pips. I didn't measure it out, but I have a good risk to reward, guys. So you can see. So I'm waiting now for price to just hit my first target. Then I'll close off those profits. But if also I can close them manually. I also can close them manually if I see price is not going my way, because remember, I'm compounding and I've already made this. These are like really the biggest trades now that I've made on this account. You can see most of the accounts, the trades are $2, $3, but the main thing we are focusing on is compounding, traders. It's compounding. So now you need to use the stop loss and the take profit at every stage, guys. You need to use the stop loss and take profit. Most of you guys don't like to use stop losses. You can see stop loss, take profit, stop loss, take profit, stop loss, take profit, stop loss, take profit. You need to use this at every step you're reaching into the market, traders. And the reason for this is because you don't want to lose money. when most of the times people bloat small accounts because they aren't having stop losses. And the reason for this, you don't lose any money, but a stop loss is there to stop you out from making a small, even a loss. You just lose a small money, When you lose money, guys, you can recover. You can see here. When I started, I lost, I made $8, meaning I had like $29. Now I lost six here, then one there. So most of you guys, you feel like giving up, but again, that's not the end of the world. You have to keep on going, traders. And I did the same thing even in my big account. So whatever amounts you see, I multiply them by 1,000. This is how much I made in my big account. And these same signals is what I sent in the VIP. So if you want to join my VIP and feed off these some signals, guys, DM me now. But this is how you grow a small account, guys. This is how you grow a small account. It's the same for CAD JPY trade. It's the same for the CAD JPY trade. Those profits that you're seeing, I used literally the same technique, reversal. I used a reversal. Let's see if I can still remember where I took this trade. Yes, this was the one. This was the one. This was the one, traders. Let's see. Yeah, this was the one here. Did I take sales or buys? Yeah, this was the one. This is the buy that I took, traders. This buy here that you're seeing, and then price shot up with momentum. You can see I took at a reversal point here. I don't know if I still have a screenshot. Probably I don't want to go into my gallery, but I took a buy, a long one. You can see it's what I took here. So guys, focus on strategies that are having reversals. When you're only going in for a reversal, don't take a trade where you're not going to see a reversal. And one of the best ways to find entries is use what we call sell limits and buy limits. Use buy limits and sell limits. And also the other thing, guys, make sure to use what we call buy stops and sell stops. Those will help you so much. But this is how you grow a small account from $20. Again, you can see from $20 to $100 in just 1 week. So guys, this is how you do this. Consistency, discipline is what you need in the forex market. Trade only a few currency pairs and you master only those ones. Wherever price goes, you will know. And also patience, guys. You need to have a high level of patience for you to be able to trade here. Someone texted me and told me that, hey Junior, I fear to lose money, guys. If you fear to lose money, guys, this is not the field that you have to be in. This is a wrong field to be in. Yes, this is not for the cowards, guys. This is only for the risk takers. However much you see losses coming in, however much you see profits coming, you have to always be patient and you always have to keep your calm, traders. Guys, this is how you can only grow small accounts again. You can see I've flipped that account I don't know how many times. And this is a real account. Most of you guys, you may say, okay, this guy is doing this on a demo. No, this is a real account. You can see real account. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next